Hey guys, it's Z Customs here, but today we don't have Xandra, so filling in is this cat, Avalon. I named her Avalon from the show that I watch on YouTube. Anyways, I love their channel, so this is that character, and yes, she's looking fabulous in this outfit. She's got a pink little stone necklace, a skirt, and a bow, and I thought she looked so adorable, so she's filling it. Anyways, so today I have a cool video. I ordered some more Generation 7 LPS, and they came in fabulous condition, and I am so excited to open them. So I have 3, so you guys will have to figure out which one we should open first. I will show you. So first we have this little box here, and it is one of the options that you can choose from. So first we have this option, which is this blue dog, the bunny, brush, comb, blow dryer, or you can use that as a gun. And then next we have this little one right here, the bird and the tiger. And then we have this little bluebird and dog that I wanted the gold dog and I wanted the blue dog. So we're going to open all 3 today, and this is so exciting. Let's get into it. So first, I think we should open the tiger and the bird. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so we got this one, and I'm going to open it for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like outside of the package. First, let's show you the back. It looks like this. You got all the sets, and you got the video game. Yeah, some of you may be interested, some of you may not. So let's open this thing. Out of the packaging, out of the box, and let's open that. That one kind of took a little bit to get out. Here's the tiger. Here's some peanut. Here's a steak for the tiger, or meat. Here's the tiger. Here's some peanut. Here's a steak for the tiger, or meat. Here's a kiwi. Here's a kiwi bird, and here's a salad for the kiwi bird. So yeah. Here's the whole set for the There's a whole set for that. Next, we will be opening one of the special exclusive pet pairs. Both that I really wanted. Let's go. So next will be this little set that I will open right now. Here's the back of it. You got the little dog. Got that dog and bunny set. You got the trading card. You got these. The game, it's showing the LPS Roblox game again, and the dolphin and the otter. It's weird, the whole package is down here. This little postcard. It's pretty cute. Sunset matches the background. So there's that. So here it is, the little set. Look at them bobble their heads. So it turns out the package part is stuck in the box. So you have to pull these tabs on the back to free the other pets. And then you just push through the cardboard. So yeah, there you go. Before we open the pets, there is this at the bottom, and you just pull at that. There you go. Before we open the pets, there is this at the bottom, and you just pull at that. Here's the card, and all you have to do is open this little envelope, and then you pull the card out. And the coin is right here. So let's see which one we get. The camera, it won't focus. Okay, there we go. Here it is. Here's the, let's see if it is a chase. So we did get a chase. That is really cool. It's a friendliest. It is a level 4. I've not got a level 4 yet. And it is a chase. So I believe those are rare. So if you got one of these, that's awesome. Hey guys, so it turns out if you open the tiger and the kiwi bird set, the card will be on the back of the LPS package behind the cardboard in the box. So I did get the card. I will show it to you in a minute. And yeah, just letting you guys know because I didn't open it in the last one. So okay, so here's the trading card for the other set. Yes, it is the tiger. And let's see if it's rare. Okay, so you got the hungriest. It's the green, and the yellow is a level 2. And the paw print with 4 is exotic. So this is an exotic. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I just wanted to make sure that you guys saw the trading card and let me know that I'm not missing it. And let you know that I'm not missing it. So, back on to opening the package. Okay, so guys, I quickly went behind your guys' back and opened the rest of the package. So here is the tour. And you can put the little bird right on the swing. Like that. Okay, good news guys. I finally got the bird on the branch. The swing branch. And because her feet are not grip enough, it took her a long time to sit on it. But there she goes. She swings. Here's the dog, and it's so cute because it's got this heart on her face, and Yeah, really cute. Here's the back of the birdie. Really cute. Blue. And I really love this set. I think it's really sweet and cute, and it reminds me to go on a vacation. So with this set, you get a coconut. Here's a coconut. Some heart cookies. Yeah, heart cookies. Or they're biscuits, I'm not sure. And a banana. And there's that set for the pet pair. Okay, sorry guys if this whole video is taking a while. But on to the last set. I wanted to save this set for the last because it's my favorite. And I have been waiting since buying this on Toy Wiz for a long time for it to come. But the website is really bad because it says tracking is waiting for a shipment. But you really want to trust the USPS because it is the best. It notifies you and lets you know when your package is on your way. So, yeah. Anyways, here's the set. Take another look at it. Here's the back of it. Yeah, it's the same as the other side on the other box. But yeah, here it is. And she's so cute. I can't wait to get her out. So as you guys can see, there's a little room in this box. And you got this little bedroom part. And you got a postcard. You get a postcard to come with it. So, I quickly opened the box and I have the trading card right here. So you guys don't know what it is, but I will show you in a second. Okay, here's the trading card. If the camera focus. Okay, here it is. I hope it's the dog, because that would be really cool to have the trading card of the dog. But, yes, oh my gosh, here it is. It's the dog. What a beauty. This is amazing. Let's see what she is. Okay, so she is fancy. Yes, she looks really fancy. She is a level 4, so like, I believe what is it? The tiger, I think? And she is a core. So she's not really rare, but to me, I think she's very special because I like blue little pet shops. And I think they're adorable. And I think they should make more blue pets because blue is a really pretty color and she just looks gorgeous. I'm not sure what kind of dog she is though, so let me know in the comments. Okay guys, here's the set. Here she is. She is looking fabulous with her little pink sparkly bow. And I love her. She is like my favorite so far. And I really wish they make more blue pets. Oh, she's got this cool design on her ears. It's diamonds. Looks like X's or cross signs, like hugs and kisses. She's got a little diamond on her head. Very cute. Her eyes are blue, very pretty. And she's got pink and light blue and dark blue all over. She's just so cute. She's got this little stripy design on her arms, well, her legs. And here is the bunny. I love the bunny. She looks like a little... Okay, sorry about that, guys. I accidentally dropped her. But here she is. She looks really sassy. And she's so cute. She feels okay. Her head is a little squishy. Let's see. Yeah, it's not that squishy. So you can't use her as like a stress toy. Well, you can, but I wouldn't. And she comes with a little comb. And the dog comes with this little blow dry, like you saw in the box. this brush, this blue brush. I believe the purple dog in the blind box comes with this too. And a bag. So there's that set. Okay guys, so that was the last set. And I'm going to show you all of the sets that I got in about a minute as we move into the outro. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like and subscribe. Well, go ahead, like and subscribe. And you guys will see more content like this and maybe skits in the future. So, yeah, just admire my outfit. I look so fabulous. So anyways, bye guys.